Welcome to Artsy Monkey Kids channel. Let us start the adventure of Santa and the pathway of golden footprints. It was a quiet December night in the North Pole. The elves were asleep. The reindeer snored softly in their warm stables. Snowflakes drifted through the air like silver feathers. Santa stepped outside his workshop for a breath of fresh winter air. But then he froze. Just ahead of him, glowing softly on the fresh white snow, was a footprint. A tiny footprint, made of shimmering golden light. "Now what could this be?" Santa murmured. Jack, Santa's gentle elf, peeked out the workshop door. "Santa, is everything all right?" Santa pointed. "Jack, look!" Jack's eyes widened. "A golden footprint!" But the surprise didn't end there. Another footprint glowed a few steps ahead. Then another, and another. A pathway of golden footprints stretched far into the snowy woods. Jack whispered, "It's leading somewhere." Santa nodded. "And we must follow." Christmas magic never appears without a reason. Following the glowing path, Santa and Jack walked carefully along the glowing trail. The footprints were small, child-sized, each one shining gently, warming the snow beneath them. Jack tilted his head. "Is it a lost elf child?" Santa shook his head. "No elf makes footprints like this. These are memories." Jack blinked. "Memories?" Santa smiled softly. "Yes. Sometimes when a child does something kind, something pure, it leaves a golden mark in the world. Most people can't see them, but tonight the magic is strong." They kept walking. Where the footprints lead, the golden footprints led them to a quiet clearing, surrounded by tall pines. In the center stood a little snow shelter, a cave made of gentle sparkling snow. Inside, a tiny figure sat curled up, glowing faintly. It wasn't a child. It wasn't an elf. It was a snow spirit, a small creature made of winter light. Jack gasped softly. "She's scared." Santa knelt beside the tiny snow spirit. "What troubles you, little one?" The spirit's soft voice trembled like wind through icicles. "I'm lost. I came to bring early snowfall to the children, but the winds blew too strong, and I couldn't find my way home." Jack leaned closer. "But the footprints, how did you make them?" The snow spirit whispered. "They aren't mine. I followed the footprints because I felt safe." Santa's eyes softened. The footprints belonged to a child somewhere in the world, a child who did something purely kind today. That kindness leaves warmth even in the coldest places. The snow spirit lowered her head. "I wanted to follow kindness home, but I didn't know where home was." A path back to safety. Santa held out his hand, warm and steady. "Then let us help you find your way." The snow spirit stepped onto Santa's glove. Immediately, the golden footprints around them glowed brighter, as if responding to the spirit's hope. Jack whispered, "It's guiding us back now." The footprints shimmered and rearranged themselves, forming a new trail, a path heading toward the tallest snow-covered hill in the North Pole. At the top, a gentle swirl of silver wind waited, a portal of winter magic. The snow spirit fluttered softly. "That's my home." Santa nodded. "Kindness always leads you back." The spirit bowed her head gratefully. "Thank you for following the footprints." Then she drifted into the silver wind and disappeared, leaving tiny sparkles in the air. The footprints fade. The golden footprints flickered, softened, and slowly faded into the snow. Jack stood quietly. "Santa, do you think the child who made those footprints knows what they did?" Santa smiled. "Probably not. The truest kindness is often invisible to the one who gives it." Jack nodded softly. "But magic sees it." "Always," Santa said. They walked home under the falling snow, knowing somewhere in the world, a child's small kindness had guided lost magic safely home. And in the North Pole, every now and then, Santa thought he saw a faint golden glow on the snow. A reminder that kindness always leaves a footprint. Thank you for watching our Artsy Monkey channel. Please like and subscribe to our channel